Don't say anything. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And Aura's been boring.
And I am a default with a default pickaxe.
This is my account, by the way.
Yeah, but I'm setting everything up as a default so people go for me. And this is solo, so yeah, don't judge me.
Wow, what a skin! Wow, the zooming in is so difficult.
Dude, I can't see. You want me to die? Dude, get out of here, default. I'm the only default here. I'm the only default. Hey, don't build over me. I'm just gonna build over all her builds. Hey! Who's building over that girl?
Wow.
Dude, why do you so much
Embarrassing girl.
I'm gonna land at Deadpool's yacht. Well, the new and improved version.
The trash one.
Yeah, because Deadpool's yacht used to be way cooler, but now it's... Why did they change it? How could it have gotten like that overnight? Like, over what, like 1 day?
No, for like 3 days and the map just flooded and it's like that.
Yeah, but how did they rebuild?
I don't know.
Wait, they're Deadpool umbrellas.
Look, the party and Midas's statue is still there.
Yeah, there's a chest right underneath. Oh, not bad.
Actually, yeah.
Dude, where's the vault again?
Oh, you have to find it.
Do you even know where it is?
Yes.
I think last match I got some really... Oh, never mind, it's rubbish loot.
No, it's not.
Well...
You don't need it.
The assault rifles. What's that? Don't mind if I do. I just... Oh.
Hey, Victor, what do you think this video should be called?
I don't know, something like...
Pig.
Deadpool's yacht change video, because I'm going to change where I go soon, because, but there's some, I need some health here. Oh, that's actually not bad. I actually need a lot more health though, yeah, it's not going to give me any. Why is there a shopping till here? Is this a business? Or is this a yacht? Yeah, there's definitely a... Oh, I thought there was going to be a... Oh, there's a chest here. Oh, what? Why can't I break that?
It's probably inside of glass.
And where the heck is the vault?
Oh, it's somewhere. Go up those stairs.
I'm literally just going to... Ooh!
I told you to go up the stairs.
I am. I'm just going to eat these. Even though they give me like hardly any loot. I'm actually going to drop some loot quick when I...
No, go in that door.
This one.
Oh, no. There is some food in there.
Dude, what door? What door?
What? What do you mean, what door?
What? Where am I supposed to go? In here?
Oh, no.
So where am I supposed to go?
Just explore the yacht if you want.
Okay, I'm actually going to go up there, but still, what? Does he run a business?
Where? No, he's dead in the Fortnite map.
I know, but literally. Well, then how come he has tills at the bottom of his boat, huh?
Because other people come in. Well, this is basically Midas's yachts. But it got changed over time, and then it was Deadpool's, and now it's a Crash thing.
Well, it hasn't crashed, really.
Well, it's dumped now.
Yeah.
Aura. Yes, you do, Aura. Mum said you can...
I just hit a trash can.
I hope Aura... No one heard that in the video. Ignore, guys.
Wait.
Victor, to tomorrow. Shall we see how many people have watched it?
Wait, are you actually going to post it?
Yes. But don't tell anyone.
Okay. Well, I actually can't build up. Let me build. I can't build up.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, I can. I was pressing the wrong button. Quickly, I just need to. Oh my god, tight squeeze, tight squeeze. Okay, now.
Why don't you get the chopper?
Because I'm not leaving. Well, I am gonna leave, but not right now. I need to get the. Who the heck is that? I think someone's saying Gaswin.
Who?
I don't know. I think someone's like saying.
Did you know there's someone downstairs you probably don't even know?
Is there?
Yeah.
Who?
I don't know. I don't even know who that person is.
Can I crouch?
No, not when you're flying.
No, I mean,
Well, yeah, you're not really flying.
I'm just gonna break this so I can just get in. Let me in. Oh, is the vault in here? Is the vault?
Yes.
Oh, there's literally nothing here except for a lantern.
There's a chest down there.
Is there?
That's the vault, yeah.
Oh, there's a chest
At least it has a chest in the vault.
with rubbish loot. Well, not that bad.
Look, and you even got some XP on Victory. We've actually got someone spectating us right in the corner. Now you've got 2 spectators.
Yeah, because I'm actually really good at this. Of course they choose me. What did these do again? Oh my god! Oh. You can't break it, buddy. I'm telling you. You can't break it. Look, I'll show you. See? Oh, you can break it.
No.
Oh, there's another chest! Thanks, bud.
Don't take it.
Oh, yeah, now you have to leave me. Thanks! What is that? There's actually lots of chests.
Chests.
Oh my god, is all I have to do go through there?
Yeah. This is Victor playing, by the way.
Deadpool? What the heck is he doing? There's no...
He's not here anymore.
Yeah, why is he moving?
Does he? He's dead though. I thought Midas killed him.
Yeah, because... Well, not the character though, because we still... loads of people still, like, do skins as him. And is that...
Well, they finished Marvel. Well, they wouldn't
Why
finish
is there a
Marvel.
Deadpool umbrella here?
There used to be a golden Midas umbrella.
Ah! I'm going back into the vault because it's a vault and vaults are safe, but they're not safes.
Yeah, but that vault's safe, isn't it?
Wait, dude, where was I supposed to go?
That's half of the vault, you know.
Look, llama.
What?
Wait, is this another half of the vault?
Yeah.
And where does this?
You could have just went in there the whole time, and then you would be in the vault. Need to look of getting in there.
So I'm gonna quickly just pick up my fruit and leave. Oh my god, I actually should go, but ooh, wait, I wanna. Goodbye.
Look, it's
There's a
blue.
chest, but I will...
Okay, guys, thank you for watching
Yay, I leveled you up.
this video. Say
Dude, I leveled
bye,
you up,
guys.
by the way.
Victor, say bye.
Bye. Dude, you're level 64, by the way.
Dun 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 dun.
I should take
dun.
the